Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add text boxes or shapes in Google Docs. Without time wasting, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here you can see I have my Google Docs. So here I want to add some shapes or text box. So now just skip the cursor where you want to add shape. Now go to the insert and go to the drawing and click on new. So the drawing option will be open. Okay, so if you want to add lines, you can add arrow like this, or any you can select any like polyline and just draw where you want. Okay, you can draw any shape like this. Okay, so you can also use scribble where you can add some different shapes. Okay, you can also use different curve arrows, anything. So in shape section, you can see there is a shape section. You can add any shape like okay, I just add this one. Okay, just draw, click and draw, it will be add. Now you can add the another shapes, which this one, and I can draw it. Okay, so I want to send this shape back. Just select the shapes, right click on it, and you can send it by order. Just click on order tab and go to the send back. Then front shape will become front, so back shape will become front. Now you can change the color. Okay, I change the color as want. Okay, so color has been changed. Okay, so there is a many shape you can use, and you can also use text boxes like this. Okay, just select the text boxes and you can use the text boxes like this. Okay, so if you want to change something in text, just select the text like this, just select like dragging. Now you can see more option on text. Okay, you can change the font also. If you click here, you can see you can make the bold, you can like change the size, whatever you want you can do from here. So now after done everything, just click on save and close, and this shape will be insert here. So now you can resize this as per your requirement. Okay, so if you want to, so this option you can use to you can put this shape, or you can say this is image on front of text also. For that you have to use this in front of text. Click on it, then you can move it. Okay, on text, or you can move it within the text. Just click on behind the text, or you can see move within the text. Please position page position option. So here you can see the many position option you can use, text wrapping and anything. Okay, so that is how you can use text boxes and shapes in Google Docs. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.